Um, I wanna try this. Oh, wow, snowstorm. Okay, I'll try this. I'll go outside. Oh my god. Why is it there's like a voice or sounds? What's the sounds? Oh my god. It's my first time. Like snowstorm. Oh my god. You know? You see that, guys? I try it. Oh. There's there's something sounds. You heard that, guys? It's my first time, you know. That's why I'm going outside. It's my first time that having like the wind. It's like 70 kph, I think. Yeah. Oh, shish. Oh, 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 shish. What? Oh. Ah. Just to explain, bro, because in my country it's like Houston we have typhoon, you know. The typhoon, the wind it's like until 300 kph, but here it's 70. But the wind is so noisy, and they have some. Oh, and they have. Shish, you see that? Oh, gosh, I'm trying, bro. Thanks God, I'm off today. But try to experience it like this, you know. It's crazy, but you know, not every day, not every month that have this, you know. That's what. Oh my God, it's so cold. I'm freezing.